Wrapping box at?
I think it's right there, yeah.
Are you taking this?
Yeah, for posterity.
Well, let's see how this shit goes then.
Yeah.
Alright, dude, chill out. I promise I'm not gonna hurt you.
Yeah, we have your best interest in mind.
Sure. I'm eating this fucker.
What you're doing, you just physically eat him.
Shit. Don't you bite me, shithead. Come on. Slide the boat back down. There we go. Let go.
You think?
Is that a good shot? You need more light?
No, we're good. Hey, bird. What up, dude?
Birds are generally covered in mites, so it's never a good idea to handle them
Yeah.
barehanded.
Yeah.
That's
I don't think he's gonna fly when you let him go. You want to just go throw him outside? Like we can get out there. So, like if you can keep him.
He might change his mind about biting the shit out of me here any moment.
Yeah.
He's warm.
Yeah. We can take him out that way.
I want to take him through the store.
Okay. All right. If he gets out, it's your fault. Let's get him out here.
How you like this? There you go. Bye, bird.
Yeah, I know. Like the Terminator.
We just kill him.
Yeah.
All right, let's let him go like a John Woo movie.
Oh, you want me to like pull a gun?
Yeah.
Oh, he's ticked.